Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3215 printer driver download and driver installations and how to connect the printer. So you have to open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you can see the Epson co.in, this official website. You just click on it. Scroll down, you can see this is driver. I just click to extract, and after that this is Win64-bit driver and click to download. After that you can see it will showing here. You have to just agree, and this is also supported Windows 10 11. Okay, and click to download. After that you can see it is start downloading, you can see, and it will take some time if and mostly depend about your internet speed. So it is completed, then just single click to open, then click to yes for the administrator rights for the installations. Okay, if you want to set default, so you can check this, otherwise okay, uncheck. Second one, this is automatically update. If you then click OK. Now this is extracting the driver. After that languages, so change it, okay, then agree, and then again click to OK. Now this is installing the driver to your laptop or desktop. After that it will show this icon. You have to on your printer and connect via your printer, your laptop or desktop to your printer via a USB printer cable. After that it will show automatically, and then next to install. So it will showing some errors, so please comment me, I will support you. Thank you.